everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I am Nasima going to make a dessert. This recipe is based on vanilla sponge cake without oven, without cooker and without any cooker. Making of this recipe is very simple and easy. So do try this yummy recipe and share your experience in the comment section. Subscribe my channel and click the bell button, then you will get my new recipe at first ad. Now let's start the preparation. First let's take a look at the ingredients. Now I take some raisins, that means kismis, pineapple jam, that means anarosher murabba, and some tutti fruities. 4 eggs, sugar half cup, flour 1 cup, baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, and ghee 3 or 4 tablespoons. Now get it started. At first sift and mix flour, the baking soda and some salt with sieve, then in a bowl until combined all them, mix it well. Then into a bowl I will break 4 eggs and separate the egg yolks. Now it's beat egg white part of the egg and mix it well until it gets foamy. Then add slowly sugar and beat it well. Then amount of sugar will depending on your taste. After then in another bowl put the egg yolks, mix it again to beat on medium high speed. Now I will slowly mix the flour and add vanilla essence and beat egg yolks in the prepared form and then mix it very well. Now add 3 tablespoons ghee, mix in this mixture and mix it very well. Beat in the flour mixture in 2 batches, adding the some water between beginning and ending with flour until just smooth. Then add vinegar in the end and mix it again until combined. Now I will mix it with raisins, pineapple jam and tutti frutti. Now we'll apply some ghee inside the cake bowl so that it does not take time lift the cake. Now put the mixture into a bowl. This time I am put a pan in the gas stove and put a rack inside the middle point in the pan. Now I will put the bowl of cake mixture inside the pan. Now cover with a lid for 30 or 35 minutes bake until the cake are golden brown on the top of the cake. Now I check in a knife or toothpick, insert into the middle, come out clean. It cooks 30 or 35 minutes in low heat, then transfer to trays and let cool to 10 minutes. The knife around the edge of the pans and turn the cakes out on the racks to cool completely. Trim the tops of the cake with a long serrated knife to make them level if deserted. Now ready to my vanilla sponge cake. It is very soft and tasty. Enjoy with tea or your favorite frosting time. Please comment below if you like and tried my recipe. I will come back with a new recipe. Until then, everyone will be fine and healthy. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.